Hi learners! This week I wanted to create a short tutorial video on how to use Padlet. That way you have an easier time doing your Padlet assignment. So when you are in your assignment, you are going to go ahead and click the link that I provided. Upon clicking the link, you will be taken to our Padlet. Up at the top, you will see what the question is. So what do you know about plants? And then it gives some directions. Please share everything you know about plants. Think about the plant parts, the life cycle, what plants need to survive, and how plants travel their seeds around. So to get started on your Padlet and to share what you know about plants, you're going to go down here to the right bottom corner and you're going to click that plus sign. It's then going to pull up a box where you have a couple different options. In the subject line, you can write a title, you can write your name, that way we know who it's coming from, and then down here you can write what you know about plants. What you know about plants. And so you can just keep typing, listing all of the different things that you currently know about plants. If you want to get more fancy, you do have some options here. You can upload a file, you can take some pictures, you can add a link, you can even search images as well. If you wanted to search, say, some plants, you could search that and share some of those just to add a little extra spice to your post. And then once you feel good about what you've written, all you have to do is hit publish and your post will pop up right at the top here. And then your rest of your classmates' posts will also pop up here. When you've posted, you are currently done with the assignment and you can leave this page. I hope you enjoy making your Padlet and I can't wait to see what you know.